In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the GoDaddy access denied error. I'm going to show you 3 different fixes. For the first one, I suggest checking your URL bar. Make sure you are typing HTTPS and not just HTTP for the secure method here on GoDaddy, and it should load up the website. That's the easiest fix. Now, if it still doesn't work, the second thing that I suggest doing is getting a VPN like NordVPN. You can check the pinned comment and just auto connecting to any network, which is going to then fix this error. And if that doesn't work either, the last thing that I can suggest doing is simply waiting. This error might be on GoDaddy's end and you just want to check back a while later, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.